In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using AI to enhance my YouTube videos with thumbnails and SEO text and even keywords, all using my own vibe coded app that I created. So this is inside Google AI Studio. I vibe coded this tool. It started off as prompts, but this allows me to take a page or a new video that looks like this, where there's no title, no thumbnail, no SEO text, and no tags. And we're going to enhance it with all of that using this. So you're going to see the whole process of how I do that. Step one is I use the transcript from this video inside my app. And this is going to be my call to action. That'll make sense in a moment. I just paste a new transcript, click analyze. It's going to use Gemini underneath the hood, and then we'll be using Nano Pro for the thumbnail. It has prompts to automatically go and create the timestamps. Now that it's done, you can see here, this is my call to action, so I could always change that in the very top. Then it adds timestamps with chapters. Then it writes 2 paragraphs of SEO descriptions for humans, basically to know what this episode's about. It gives me my hashtags. These are just general ideas. I'll use VidIQ for actual VidIQ keywords. And then if I scroll down, it also gives me titles. So let's go ahead and start building this. I like the first title. I vibe coded a content agency, and let's change that as the title. Boom. Ooh. And then when you paste it in, it gives you a low score, and then VidIQ will recommend some better content ones. Nice. A little SEO keyword right there. Perfect. Definitely 92. That's much better. Perfect. Now we're going to move down to the description down here for the text. That's just simply going to be right here. There's a little copy button. Boom. And then I'll take my SEO keywords here. Just take them from there. Scroll down. And I'll just paste them here for right now. Then I'll go and create the thumbnail. So if we go to the toolkit, we scroll down, it automatically fills out the form. Here's my headshot. I want to also, we'll continue with the blue sweater. Here I'm going to upload an image of my headshot. I'll upload an image of Claude and upload an image of some social media apps. This is related to what the thumbnail is going to be. Cool. Go ahead and generate 2 variations. This is going to be using Nano Pro. It is hooked up to my own API keys. By the way, if you want this app, I give it away to members inside my AI community. Link down below to join. Ooh, okay. Decent. Nice content. We want to make it very simple. So here I'm going to play with the prompt. I'm going to say, you are a prompt engineer and I want you to improve my prompt, make it more single focus, easy. We don't need Python. This is more focused on content automation and automating content with the character not lifting a finger, relaxing as content gets produced automatically. So I've used that to fix my prompt. So this is Cider. This is used just a quick, fast, easy. I don't need to go to ChatGPT to go and rewrite. I don't even have to leave the tab. We'll fix the prompt, and then we'll go and generate 2 new variations. If you find this workflow interesting, definitely book one-on-one where I have an AI where I can certify you to become an AI consultant and teach you how to be dangerous with AI. All the best AI tools, from vibe coding to automations to building apps, and so much more. Nice. Okay, I want the focus on the other side, the benefit. So fix the prompt. I just want to focus on the benefit. I don't want to split screen, but I do like your prompt on how both screens where he's just relaxing and content's being created automatically in front of him. So we're just fine-tuning the prompt. This is more to show that the first prompt is never perfect. But the art is in the refinement. If you can refine your prompt, you will get amazing output. Ooh, nice. I like that. Ooh, I like that better. Dang, that's a really good one. Let me just spin this up again. Give me another variation, but it's AI agents building social media apps while he's relaxing. So let's see if we play with another, just little variation of this. Those aren't bad. I'm gonna take this one too. Click download. Nice. Let's split. Now let's try another roll. Now let's see if we get a little bit better. It's usually like 1 out of 7. Honestly, like 7 tries and you'll nail it, like after 7 tries. Okay, a little bit better, a little more relaxed. Ooh, content automation. Nice. Okay, so we can A/B test thumbnails for right now. I definitely like thumbnails only. 1 thumbnail, that's probably going to be this one. No, I like the other one. See, he's too far away, so change this one. That one's better. And then this one will change to this one. Content automation, he's relaxing, not lifting a finger. AI agents do it. So now we'd be testing thumbnails. Perfect. Okay, so that's the title. Now we have the thumbnails. Now we have the description and the SEO text for the description about the video. And then for keywords, For here, I'm going to go to VidIQ and search content automation. Takes me right to VidIQ with the query already entered. Not much for content volume, very low. So AI automation, YouTube automation. You want the keywords that have low competition score. That's one of the big things. I'm just going to go search volume and then scroll down. You've got the highest views, AI automation agency, AI workflows, AI marketing, social media marketing as media. I would prefer low competition for a lot of these. Social media automation. Right there, social media automation. What about that? Let's take that keyword, pop those in, just to paste those. And then if you go social automation, better, more competition, like it, perfect. That's what I want. I don't want to touch anything that's under 10,000 views ideally, but you want at least search volume here. Let's go by search volume. We'll do YouTube automation, AI video generator, AI automation agency, social media strategy, Instagram automation, how to automate your social media posts. Oh, that's a great one, but that's too low. Social media automation had the highest keyword. That's pretty good. Copy, paste. What are some other keywords here? Social media automation, NAN, sure. I'll take these. These are some really good sub niches right here. Social media automation. Let's see if we can find something that's a little bit bigger for those keywords. It's already pretty good right there. Let's get rid of these. Oh yeah, all of this. There's the bigger. Yep, AI avatar. How to create an AI avatar is there, but what has the most? See, 13,000 HeyGen AI avatar. These are pretty good right here. Let's go scoop, 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 scoop. Oh yes. Yeah, I'll just take all these, except for that one. Creating AI avatar, HeyGen AI tutorial, nice. Go by search volume, how to make AI videos, boom, nice. Yeah, I'll take all these. I want all the low competition ones. The highest keyword is AI avatar, how to make AI avatar. It needs to have, we have AI avatar, we have HeyGen. These are not bad. Automate your content with HeyGen AI avatar. And then, what do they say? How to make AI avatars. Automate your content with HeyGen AI avatars. Complete content automation using, wow. That's pretty gangster. Okay, now I'm happy with the title. We're happy with the thumbnail. We've got the SEO text. We got the description. And we have VidIQ keywords that all have a low competition score. That's all good. So now we'll just go and publish this. This is just one of many tools I give away for free inside my AI community. So if you want this app, just go to simpletechskills.com. Go ahead and click the link to join, and instantly you could get access to this tool so that you can improve your thumbnails, SEO text, and keywords so that your videos get more views and it brings more organic traffic to your business so that you don't have to pay for ads. I'll see you in the community.